We're going to start on the CurseForge app. If we plan to use this mod in a single player world, or if we're hosting the server, we're going to install. After that, if to get the client, we're going to go to the Real Facial Expressions Companion app link. This will be an external link to our website. This page may look slightly different, but this link will always take you to the latest. Now we're going to install the installer. For me, it's going to show up as 3 because I've done this a couple times, but you're going to open it. Now it's going to say don't run. The reason it's saying don't run is because it's an unrecognized app. For me to register it to be recognized for everybody, it would be anywhere between like $100 and $400 a year. And honestly, I don't think that's worth it. So we're just going to press more info and run anyway. Okay, accept the agreement. Say I understand that. Create a desktop shortcut if you want one. Install. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, we're gonna launch the app. We can exit out of all this. Now, currently it's using this camera. You can change what camera you want to use, and if you want to see what you look like, you can show camera. You can also make this like basically as small as you want, but I'm gonna make it big so you guys can see it. Now we're gonna go into the game, launch the game. Now we're gonna use a single player world, create a world, exploration, change the settings, enable the plugin. I don't really care about the rest of the settings. Call you test world, keyboard smash, RFE, face ID. Okay. Now we're going to copy that face ID into here. Paste. And now as soon as we go back into the game, if we look at ourselves, I smile. I'll be smiling. I furrow my eyebrows. I'm going to furrow. The eyes are still a little but yeah, now that's all working. Now, if you want to like if you want to like tweak how sensitive some of these animations are, you can do RFE settings, and these are per player. So if I want my mouth to be easier to open, I'm going to lower this, and it should apply immediately. So now it's slightly easier to open. I'll start with my mouth open. And if I slide it up, I still have my mouth open and I'm still talking, but it's not opening because the threshold for mouth open is much higher. And if you ever want to restore to defaults, you can do that. You can also do something like making furrowing your eyebrows slightly easier, so I don't have to do as much to furrow. Or make it up easier, so like my eyebrows are a little more active now. Eyelids, you can do this, yeah, you can do this with every setting. You can make it harder for you to trigger the smile, so I really have to twist my face to smile right now. But if I go down here, like almost everything's a smile. Like any upturn of my, unless I'm frowning, it's going to be a smile. And then once you're done with adjusting, you just save. Actually, I'm going to go back into the settings because it makes it really easy to see. If you have trouble with the eyes always looking in one direction, what I would recommend is just tabbing out and just restarting. I'm going to pin this taskbar first. Restarting this app. And when you restart the app, once the GUI launches, I would like try to look at all 4 corners of your screen, because in the first couple seconds the app is open, it's actually calibrating the eye tracker. So now I have a little bit more stable of eyes. Yeah. let me know if there's anything else you would like to know.